My IG is Marissa Storm with an E at the end. I'm Marissa. Music too loud? We can turn it down a little bit. One person said it though. I know. It's not the same. Wait, why? I love you. What's different? Thank you. Oh, you missed the dorm? I'm happy I'm out of it. It was kind of hard living there. Like, it was not, I don't know, it was like not clean, like it was cramped. Interactive more now, I know. We can talk more. Yes, baby. Hi, what's name? Aww. I love you. You're cute. I'm 18, she's 19. Hi, Arkansas. I moved and stopped talking to you. Do you text me? Or you mean just like on live?